Alright. Oh, now, what was I getting at? Oh, see, the lodge tucked back here, in the nowhere. The country mice and city mice had been meeting there to make their exchanges. Newly privy to that, Atlas decided he'd make a rather bold gesture of confronting our nuisance and doing Marigold an unsolicited favor. In a business of bitter enemies, it doesn't hurt to make a friend, yeah? Anyway, in that spirit, the captive cattle thief was returned to his friends.
You just gotta stand there on the threshold?
Where the hell have you been? You smell like death.
With a souvenir from the war. And Viktor and Mordecai made their way through the place like a minor tornado.
Take cover!
Viktor was something of a remnant from the war himself. And Mordecai? Well, come to think of it, couldn't have been very much older than you at the time. He'd had an early start, though, supposedly, still in knee pants when he began keeping books for grifters and gamblers in New York. But things must have soured for him there. Atlas said when he crossed his path, he was looking rather worse for wear, riding a getaway train toward Chicago or Detroit, with some deeply unhappy associates on his heels. It wouldn't surprise me to learn that, left to his own agencies, he'd brought his troubles on himself. For all his qualifications with books and odds and percentages and what, he'd always been about as personable as a bespectacled, barbed-wired post, and likely tallied up more enemies than friends.
That son of a... I'll get that bastard.
I've heard it said some long ago incident left a little bit of lead rattling about his cranium and carved him that wonky streak. But I never had the gall to ask him myself if that was true. I can tell you, Atlas didn't see the personality problem as a problem, so much as a facility worth fostering. However, so, as the story I know goes, Atlas settled some of his pursuing grievances, gave him the veritable shirt off his back, placed him on his feet, set him to work. And from what I gathered, the boy had been learning fast.
Bastard! Damn you!
Okay.
I meant to do that.
Get out. Now.